Hey, what's going on, ladies and gents? How y'all doing here? Back again with another video here. So today, let's talk about the YNW Melly case because there was just a new breakthrough in the case where the judge denied YNW Melly's defense team request for a mistrial. That's right. So what this means is that because I've been doing my research, and I guess my understanding of this is that had the judge granted a mistrial, that means Melly would have never been able to be tried again for, I guess, the double murder of his two own friends that he's accused of. But since the judge denied a request for a mistrial, I guess this means the case is going to continue. And one thing that I took away from this case is just the damn near incompetence of the prosecution, because it's like, you mean to tell me they had 4 freaking years to basically find the murder weapon, and they haven't been able to even provide the murder weapon that was used in the murders of that was allegedly used in the murders of YNW Melly's two own friends. And it just goes to show you here that if YNW Melly gets acquitted right here, that if he manages to beat this case, this is possibly going to be the biggest, I guess you could say, upset since the O.J. Simpson trial, because obviously just the prosecution here, man, this, not only would this be a really fat L for the prosecution if YNW Melly does get acquitted, but it would just make the prosecution look like complete total fools, just because it's like, think about it. They had 4 goddamn years, 4 freaking years, and it seems like they came not prepared properly for the trial of trying to, prove their point here. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how this case is going to pan out here, with the judge basically denying Melly and his defense team a request for a mistrial. That's right. And obviously, it just seems like here now that the prosecution is really trying to figure out what they can do to convince the jury that YNW Melly did, in fact, or that he did, in fact, commit those murders that he's accused of doing. That's right. So, yeah, I just found this pretty crazy that they denied, because I did think for a second there that there's going to be a grant of a mistrial, just because they haven't been able to provide the murder weapon. I guess that is getting in the way of the prosecution trying to win this case. But I mean, like I said, man, it's going to be interesting to see how the rest of the trial is going to pan out. So let me know what y'all think about it.